Namaskar, everyone. Today I am going to talk about this interesting technique about transit of planets and how it associates with the Vimshotri Dasha, how you can make accurate predictions, even up to the level of 2.5 days. Now, why 2.5 days? Because this is the time when moon takes that much time to traverse a Rashi. So, uh, to know this, you just need the Mahadasha, which is currently running. And based on the Mahadasha Lord and its position in your chart, you can determine which position of moon is going to give you good result, is going to give you, is going to be more beneficial to you compared to other places of moon. This rule can be extended to Bhukti and Pratyantar Dasha also. But for this video, I'll be limiting it to just the Mahadasha and the position of moon. Okay, so the technique is that first of all, you need to know your current Mahadasha as per Vimshotri Dasha or whichever conditional Dasha is applicable to you. If you do not understand how to apply conditional dasha, then it's fine because Vimshotri dasha, as per sage Parashar, is applicable universally to everyone. So you need to know the Vimshotri dasha, which is applicable to you currently. To do that, you can go to Jagannath Hora software and create your chart and look at the Vimshotri dasha. Look at the time period which is running the current Mahadasha. Other way, you can go to any online chart making software, any online service, and it will give you the Vimshotri Dasha that you are currently running. And once you have that Vimshotri Dasha, you need to know where is that Mahadasha Lord situated in your Kundali. And based on that, we can combine that Vimshotri Dasha, that Mahadasha which is currently running, along with the transit of moon that is happening regularly, and how do we combine these two things in a beautiful technique that I'm going to share. Okay, so suppose this is the blank chart. Okay, and suppose you are running currently Saturn Mahadasha. Okay, so Saturn is suppose Saturn is there in Kark Rashi. Okay, this is Kark Rashi. And now you have to know, you want to know at what positions of moon those 2.5 days, how will that be in your life? So see, moon takes entire 30 days, less than 30 days to traverse the entire zodiac. So 2.5 days it stays in each Rashi. And Saturn is the Mahadasha Lord. Okay. Now, one question that may arrive in your mind, then why Mahadasha Lord? Why not Bhukti Lord for this? Because you must have seen this dictum that Mahadasha Lord is like Surya and Bhukti is like Chandrama, like moon. So if Mahadasha Lord is like a moon, like a sun, then why are we looking at moon? It is precisely this reason that we are looking at the moon, because sun sun is gives you the overall direction of, because Mahadasha goes for like 7-8 years to up to 19-20 years. So that much duration is actually the direction of the soul, that your your atma wants to follow that particular direction. But to give the result at the minute level, moon comes into picture. And moon in transit complements the sun. Sun means the Mahadasha Lord, which is like a sun in your life for that much period. So he acts like a sun and moon becomes the one that actually delivers you the result. So that's why, to make it compatible, we take into account the moon's transit throughout the zodiac. Okay. So Saturn is in this blank chart, Saturn is, let's say, in Cancer Rashi. And Moon is going to be good in the Rashis, which are 3, 6, 10, 11. That is the Upachaya Bhava from the natal Saturn. So from the natal Saturn, what are the 3, 6, and 10, 11? So if the Saturn is going to be in Cancer, then third house is going to be here. Okay. So this is the third house. This is the sixth house, and this is going to be Aries is going to be the 10th, and Taurus is going to be the 11th. Okay, so these four houses will always give excellent result whenever Moon is in transit over here. Now, why these houses? Because these are Upachaya Bhavas. Okay, and Upachaya Bhavas means the growth. So growth will happen whenever Moon is there in all these places. Now, out of these places, if Moon is going to be in a friendly sign, okay, if it is going to be in a friendly sign, then it will be even better. Okay. Now, Moon is going to be friendly sign with respect to whom? We have to look at Saturn, because Saturn is the Mahadasha Lord. So from Saturn, who all are friendly over here? You see, this third house belongs to Mercury. So Saturn is friendly towards Mercury. So when Moon is over here, it is excellent. Now look at this sixth house. Sixth house is coming to Sagittarius, which is Jupiter's house, and Jupiter is neutral to Saturn. So it is not going to be that good. So now coming to the 10th house, which belongs to Aries and Mars. So Mars is the enemy of Saturn. So again, this is going to be very bad. Then 11th house, it belongs to Venus, Taurus, and this house is very friendly to Saturn. So whenever Moon is here, it will give you excellent result. Okay. Now looking at all this, you see that 11th house gives you good result. This gives you good result. This is somewhat middling, and this is negative. Okay. This is negative house. Okay. So out of all these, you see, the whenever Moon is there in Taurus, whenever Moon is there in Virgo, these two places, you will get excellent result during the Mahadasha of this. Okay. Now, apart from this, what other places? Now, apart from this, you also see Saturn is debilitated in Aries. So this debilitation also makes it more negative. Okay. So out of all these four houses, uh, Saturn is going to give the best result in Taurus and Virgo. Okay. For Sagittarius and this one for Aries, it is going to be meddling. Now, other thing that you can see is the own houses of Saturn. Okay. So what are own houses of Saturn? Saturn is there. This is Aquarius. Okay. Aquarius and Capricorn. So these houses, whenever Moon is there, that time also it will give you good result. And now coming to the uh, exaltation sign. So exaltation sign is Libra, and whenever Moon is there in Libra, that will also give excellent result. Okay. Uh, After this, we have to look at the friendly signs. Okay. So friendly signs, which are those? So I think this Gemini is left. Okay. So Gemini, it will give you good result. Uh, Pisces will be again neutral, and Sun is obviously very negative, very negative. Okay. So this way you can make the entire judgment. Okay. Now how the judgment is going to be? So which is going to be the best sign? Best sign is going to be Taurus. Okay. Because Taurus is the Upachaya house and the friendly sign. Okay. So this is the best sign. After that, Virgo. Virgo is going to be the best sign because this is Upachaya house and also the house of friend. After that, you will go to This one, the exaltation sign. Okay, exaltation is good because this is the exaltation of Saturn. So whenever moon is there in Libra, it will be excellent. Next, then we go to the other friendly sign. Okay, whenever moon is there in Gemini, it is good. Whenever it is there in Aquarius and Capricorn, it is good. Whenever moon is there in Sagittarius and Pisces, it is neutral. Whenever moon is there in Aries and Scorpio, it is very negative. Whenever moon is there in Leo, it is very negative. So that way, in this way, you can determine which all signs when moon is going to transit, you have to be very careful. So you have to be very careful whenever moon is traveling through signs whose lords are very inimical to Saturn, like Sun, Mars. Okay, so using this technique, you come to realize that what 2.5 days is going to be the best for you. In the next one, I'll come up with what are that 1 month duration, which is going to be good during a Mahadasha, during Antardasha. Okay, so that will be the topic of next video. So thank you so much for watching.